Okay, a stem and leaf plot. So the first thing you want to do is identify what is your smallest and what is your largest number. So in this data set here, our smallest number is 86 beats per minute and our largest one is 125. Now in a stem and leaf plot, our leaf can only have one digit of our number. So in our largest, the 5 will be in the leaf, and in our smallest, the 6 will be in the leaf. What this means is the 8 and the 12 are in our stem. So our stem needs to go from 8 to 12. So we construct our stem and leaf plot. So we have a vertical line and a horizontal line. Our stem is here on the left and our leaf is on the right. Now our stem, as we said, needed to go from 8 to 12. So we've got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Try not to bunch your numbers too close, give yourself a little bit of space. And then what we need to do in the leaf is you need to list all of your values that have an 8 in the tens column. So here we've got 86, 88, 89. So in our leaf, we would have 6, 8, and 9, because that is the ones column for each of those. I then go to my 90s. So I've got 90, 91, 2 93s, which we must write both, 95, 96, 98, and 2 99s. I then go to my hundreds. So I've got 100, 102, 104, 205s, 107, 208s. My next one is my 110s. So I've got 110, 211s, 112, 115, 116, 2 119s, and then my 120s, I've got 120 and 125. Now you can see what I've done is I've tried to line up the numbers underneath each other. That allows you to, when we have to analyze the graph and describe it in terms of skew, it allows us to see that a lot easier and clearer if you've left the same spacing between your numbers as you go down the rows. The last feature that you need for a stem and leaf plot is a key. So this is so that the reader knows how to read the graph. So if I wrote 10 line 2, so we've chosen 10 2, that means 102 beats per minute. If you forgot to put the key in, someone could read that as 10.2, which would then lead to a misinterpretation of the data. So really important that you make sure that you include that key. So marks for an exam, you'd get 1 for identifying that smallest and largest, 1 for your key, you would get 1 for an accurate leaf, and 1 for an accurate and appropriate stem, for a total of 4 marks.